If you want to take photos by using Huawei Watch Fit 4 Pro, for sure you can only control camera of your phone. There's like no built-in camera on this device. So you have to start by opening the app gallery on your phone, and you have to search for the camera application called Camera Opus, and by clicking on this icon you can simply download it. And next you will have to go into the Google Play Store and also find the same application. It's called Camera Opus, and you have to download this application also on your phone. If you do this, you can open it on, you have to open it on your watch and on your smartphone. And as you can see right now, we are successfully connected. So if I'm gonna tap on this icon, it's gonna take the photo. And you can also turn to the video mode. You can just start recording. You can finish, so you can just control everything. You can zoom in, zoom out. You can turn on some kind of the other functions, but as you can see, sometimes you will have to upgrade to the premium. And yeah, that's it. There's actually the only application that will allow you to do this. Thanks for watching.